Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and today I wanted to show you something that is in the pre-sale right now for the next couple hours. It's gonna go live fairly soon. They'll be raised over $350,000. It's AquaDoge over here. Right now, when it comes to crypto, we're hitting new all-time highs pretty much every single day. We just got shy of 98,000 Bitcoin earlier, and all the other coins in the top 10 are doing pretty well. Dogecoin right now, $56 billion in market cap. That is a ton of money for something that is a picture of a dog. Now for that, we have a couple different variations you've seen, like Baby Doge last year. We know all of Shiba and a couple others. In this case though, memes are going great overall. Anything that has to do with Doge also performs pretty well, and this can be the next big thing. Now, AquaDoge, the game is coming fairly soon. We also have a download link down below for Mac as well as Windows, and they have this trailer over here, which you can see that it is free to play, presented by Outshine Studios. It's a Doge streaming right there, away from all the different monsters in the game, where you can compete with friends and foes for weekly leaderboard prizes and play for free right now. They were featured in pretty much all the different magazines out there: Coinpedia, Chainwire, Blockchain Magazine, and more. They had a coin sold audit as well as a solid proof audit. Once you go over there, you can read all of that in detail to look more into the contract and what has been going on with that when it comes to it. 82 million tokens have been sold so far, with almost all of them staked, almost 97% staked, with an APY of almost 2,000%, which is absolutely insane. It is gasless, zero transaction fees, unparalleled speed, with the developer granting for mass adoption, and you can buy it right now, in which one Aqua is worth 0.5 cents. So if you want to buy 1,000 tokens, that is just $5 in here. If you want to be an AquaDoge millionaire and own 1 million tokens, that will be $5,000, and you would own a large chunk of that. Now, if we go down a little bit, we can see that you can also sign up for the newsletter to stay up to date with everything that they are working on. And right now, we see that they're launching on ETH. Doesn't matter which network you purchased on, claiming will happen on the ETH network. Those users that purchase with Solana, which is also an option, so you save some gas fees there, should designate an ETH wallet, be a Solana, sign transactions, which they authorize to claim their Aqua tokens with. The entire supply is 4,220 million tokens, 30% for staking, 30% for the presale, 20% for marketing, 10% for liquidity, rewards, and game prizes. With the goals right now being that the socials are launched, the presale begins, contract is audited, all of that is happening already. Then next up are the DEX listings, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko and Bird Eye update, and then in phase 4, the community rewards, marketing continues, world domination, you could say, with the future development. And as they have a play-to-earn game behind it, it's an extremely addictive scholar that offers a retro classic arcade experience, which I think you will like as well. You can earn Aqua tokens all the while, and all you gotta do to get the token already is select the network from one of their 9 different supported ones, connect to wallet, select the currency, the amount, and then purchase that. They have an FAQ at the bottom available as well. Now, if you were to click on Buy Now, you will see you can buy it on ETH, Solana, Base. Ton is coming soon as well. The Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Pretty much everything outside of ETH has close to 0 cent in gas fees. And let's say you want to buy it on Solana. Next up, you gotta select the amount. Let's say you want to buy 1 million tokens, so about 20 Solana, or in this case 21. Go with that, click on Connect Wallet. It will then show you the options for Solana, in this case Phantom. Select it, make a purchase, and you're all good to go. Next up, you can go to the dashboard over here, and you will see how many tokens you own, what's in there, and so on and so forth. Stay up to date in the Telegram and the Twitter, for which you have to go through Safeguard very quick. Click below to verify that you're human, and then you can join their channel. All in all, it's something that I think you guys will like. And with the success of Doge at $56 billion in market cap, even if just 0.1% of 560 million goes into AquaDoge is the next big thing, then everybody in here gets a quick 50 to 100x, if not more, and will benefit long term. Keep in mind, nothing in here is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I found and think is pretty cool that you might like. Link is down below. Make sure to check it out and read about it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.